Dear Earth 2 players and community, in this vlog we will be introducing details about the third EcoSim building, the Research Lab. In its most basic form, the Research Lab will have a small square-shaped footprint of one tile to be constructed. It is the second EcoSim building in the tech tree after the Mentor and is required to research blueprints for the construction of other basic EcoSim buildings. The Research Lab also creates a contour survey report for each researched blueprint it generates. This report, along with the researched blueprint, are required to construct EcoSim buildings on the property the Research Lab is located on. We are exploring ways to allow players to merge properties, and if we release this feature, players will be able to merge properties together. Properties will only be mergeable if they are of the same tier type. Until such time, the size of the original property will determine how many EcoSim buildings it can support. Each player will have the ability to acquire the blueprint for the Research Lab when first-tier EcoSim buildings are released. The Mentor will be one of the prerequisites to acquiring the blueprint for the Research Lab. There's currently an option for Mentors to be warped in on player-owned properties for free, so we urge players to take advantage of this option and ensure they have a Mentor on each property they own. Once the player has the blueprint for the Research Lab, they will need to place it on their property and activate it as a hollow building. After the hollow building has been activated, the player will need to command their construction droids to use previously woven resources to complete the construction of the functional, physical building. Here we display one example of the water processor, the Lignator, and the Research Lab constructed in close proximity to one another. The Research Lab can serve other purposes, but will require upgrades in order to support higher-tier EcoSim buildings it previously provided engineering for. Another important and interesting aspect of the Earth 2 EcoSim will be transportation. Many EcoSim buildings will have the core purpose of processing raw materials into building blocks, which can in turn be used to construct final products inside of Earth 2. Each EcoSim building will only store a limited amount of building blocks before it needs to be moved either to local storage or transported away to be traded at a different location. Building blocks can also be transported directly to an EcoSim hollow building, where they can be used by construction droids to complete a building. Different types of transportation will best suit different types of vehicles. For example, smaller vehicles would be more economical to run for smaller cargo on shorter trips, while larger vehicles may be more economical to run for larger cargo on medium to longer trips. Numerous types of vehicles will be introduced into Earth 2, and although some can serve as multi-purpose vehicles, many will be suited for specific purposes or specific cargo types. Vehicles will also have a variety of attributes, such as acceleration, top speeds, reachability, cargo weight ratio, and more, which naturally adds to the overall strategic consideration required by players taking part in the EcoSim. We firmly believe that one of the core requirements for a metaverse is creating a strong economic foundation, and the Phase 2 EcoSim is our way of releasing interactive, strategic, fun, and rewarding gameplay that has long-term relevance to our platform as we continue building toward our longer-term goals, which involve even bigger and better things. Thank you for watching, and please join us on upcoming vlogs, where we'll cover more about building types, vehicle manufacturing, transportation types, and construction droids, which will then follow onto future vlogs about battle vehicles, defense systems, and much, much more.